Hey guys, so today I'm going to take you on a tour of my guest house. It's actually one of the reasons I bought this property was because it has a one bedroom unit built onto it. It's not in the basement, it's actually built as an extension onto the back of the house, which is pretty cool because it just gives that potential for rental income, which I did have it rented out, but the tenant has bought her own house, so she has just moved out and she returned the key to me yesterday. So I thought today I'll take you on a tour. Um, Before she had moved in, I had just purchased the property within the year prior, but I hadn't done anything to it, to the rental unit, because I was just focusing on the main house. Um, but I think now that she's returned the key, there are some things I want to do in there. So I thought I would take you on a tour now to sort of show you the before state. The only thing I've done in there so far is paint it. I painted everything white, but the condition of everything wasn't so bad. It was built in, I think, the 70s, maybe the 80s, versus the main house is 100 years old. So I'm not going to say it's updated because it's not, it's quite dated, but it's a lot more updated than the main house. So why don't you come along with me and I'll take you a tour and show you where it's at now and my plans for it. Okay, let's go. It's around the side. Okay, so this is the entrance. Walk in. There's the kitchen. And actually, if you look at this side of the kitchen cabinets, that's what my kitchen used to look like when I first moved in the main house. And I refaced the doors of the cabinets and painted them, and then got new handles, and it completely changed the look. I'll insert a photo so you can see. I want to do something similar in this kitchen, just to modernize them. I did put in a new faucet because the old one was leaking. So that I put in. The sink's obviously not been changed yet, but just give you a tour. And then this is the main living area. Those sliding doors lead to my backyard as well. This is sort of a view from the other side. That's the front door where we came in. There's another window. There's quite a lot of light in here. And then here's the bedroom. And my plan for this, I'll just keep showing you, talk about it after. There's a closet, big closet, view to my backyard and garage. Come back around here. So the big things in this that I want to do are the kitchen and the bathroom. There's a front closet here. And the bathroom is here. The tenant actually painted the blue. Fan's loud. Yeah. So that's the bathroom. Okay, let me talk about what I want to do. Okay, so that's it. What was I gonna say? Yeah, the reason I really wanted a property with an extra unit on it, I was originally thinking I would hopefully find one with a basement unit. When I saw this, I got really excited because I love, sorry if it's really echoey, because there's nothing in here, so it's very, very echoey. But I loved the potential for rental income because it's just me and my daughter, and you just never know. Houses cost a lot where I live. Just to get into the market, at this point it's over $500,000 just to buy a basic small rundown shack of a house. So mortgages are expensive, and I moved here from a neighboring city, which is even more costly than this one. So just with transitioning jobs over here, I just didn't know what would happen, and I wanted that cushion. Thankfully now I'm in a position where I don't need to rent out this house. I have, I've secured a good job here in the city, and then I still also have my part-time job in my other city, so everything's okay right now. So I'm just sort of thinking about what else I could do with this unit, because obviously, there's pros to not renting it out, just having that privacy. Um, I considered Airbnb because that's not a permanent rental and that could just be like a temporary thing. But I don't know, I also like the idea of using this space as potentially a studio or workshop, and then to really, dive more into my creative hobbies and my passions outside of work. So I like that idea. But for starters, I think the first project I'm gonna do in here is the kitchen and all the cabinetry. So yeah, this is what my kitchen cabinet cupboards used to look like before I redid them in the main house, and I'll insert a photo or I'll walk back in and show you before the end of this video what they look like now. So I'm going to do the same thing, and with that involves creating some custom sort of frames to cover this scroll here and to update the cabinets and give it a more shaker style. And then I will also get some new hardware for the cabinets, and then paint them. And the ones that you can see, the cabinets in the kitchen were already painted an off-white sort of cream color. I am thinking I might go with white. I went with green in the main house and I love that. So I want something different in here. I do like dark blue, so I debated that, but I want something that I'm not gonna get sick of. And something just like classic. So I'll either go with white or dark blue. And then after that, I do need to do something about the bathtub. There's some sort of staining on the bottom, so I'll probably reglaze the tub. But otherwise, I don't know. There's so many options. So I'm still kind of playing around with ideas, but I'm really excited to reclaim this space, take it back, and just fix it up and make it look a lot nicer. So this is the before, and I'll keep you updated as I go. Right now, I'm still working on the main floor bathroom in the main house. My plan is to tile it this weekend. I got the faucet and vanity out last night, which was way, way harder than it looks. It's like glued to the wall, and it was really tough, but it came out. So yeah, that'll be it. Give me any paint color suggestions that you might have for the kitchen cabinets, because I love color, but I love color. I just don't want to get sick of it. So I'm thinking, yeah, dark blue or white. But let me know if you have any color ideas. Not green, because I love green so much that I've used it a lot in the main house. I have it on the stairs, I have it on the front door, I have it in the kitchen. So at this point, I'm like, I need to do something other than green. So yeah, any deep blue suggestions perhaps? And yeah, I think that's it. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.